Okay, everybody. So I'm gonna be unwrapping my first curl kit that I got today. Actually, not today. I got it about a week ago, but I've been on vacation. But now I'm gonna film me opening my first curl kit. If you don't know what curl kit is, I'll put the link below for what it is, but it's basically a natural hair subscription. You get a box every month with different kinds of products. So I'm gonna open this and you can see my reaction and we'll go from there, okay? Curly by Nature. So here's the box all around. Okay, let's open it. All right, top is off. Curl kit, nice little wrapping there. Try not to tear the paper that I did. All right, so right inside the paper, this is what was there. Let's see exactly what it is. Curl Life Glow Up. Oh, it's basically like a newsletter. So it has different pages. That's cool. I'll read that later. All right, so on the underneath that, this is how it was. Okay, so let's see what each thing is. All right, first we have a lot of body, coconut and shea oils. Love Me 5-in-1 leave-in treatment. So it detangles and conditions, prevents split ends, adds moisture and shine, heat protection, tames frizz for all types of hair. I'll read the first 5 ingredients. Water. Okay, no, I'm not gonna read them because I don't even know how to say them. But anyway, the first ingredient is water, and that's good, right? All right, next we have African black soap, facial wash and scrub, anti-acne and clarifying. Okay, made with aloe vera, oats, and vitamin E. Okay, cool.
That's for your face. Are you gonna try it?
Can you record it? Oh, it's not even open. I'm trying to smell it. Oh. All right, next we have Candy Curls moisturizing leave-in conditioner enriched with avocado and argan oil, which I hope I like because avocado does wonders for my hair. First ingredient is deionized water. Okay, so that's the Candy Curls moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Alright, let's see what we got. We got Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracles. So I got apple cider vinegar hair yogurt intensive treatment. Apple cider vinegar charcoal activated shampoo. Oh, we got 2 of each. So that's these. Alright, so that seems to be it. My review so far. The box was nice. The subscription little newsletter is cool too. The different products are, I mean, I never used Candy Curls before, or this Nubian Heritage. So that'll be cool to try. The Lotta Body, actually I never used that either. But I really thought the subscription was gonna be like the same products from the same line and something that you would use in one style. So like a leave-in, a gel, curl, you know, shampoo, conditioner, all from one line. So I thought you were gonna be able to use them all from one style. Like this has 2 leave-in conditioners, which is cool, I guess. I don't know. This is just the first box I got. I think this is the January one because I kind of ordered it in the middle of January or the beginning of January. So this might be the January curl kit. And this was, it's like $25 a month. But the first box was on sale for like $10. But anyway, so I'll be trying the different products, and that's it. That's my reaction of the video. And you can see I'm protective styling right now. I have these so I have these Havana twist in that are crocheted. Shout out to my mom, she did this for me. I've had them in for about a week and a half now, which I like. Also, you can see my shirt. So anyway, thanks for watching. Quick little video on the curl kit. Okay, so that was my. So I'm gonna wait till I get the February box and see what's in there, and see if I want to keep this subscription because you can cancel anytime. So we'll see. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.